Hello, Fahad.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. Hope you are also fine. Sorry
Yeah,
for
I'm
that. I
okay.
have another meeting in our office, uh, so that I can't join in time.
It happens. It happens because look at me. It took 2 weeks. You know, I was in delay of 2 weeks. So, ex- because actually, the reason, the main reason was that I had to struggle to prepare all menu category articles in all languages. And since there were so many articles, then let me show you. Mm, so let me show you. Parabà. Okay. So now, for instance, do you remember that there was the Canadian French Canadian? I took it off, and also the Spanish Catalan, two languages. I took it off because were unuseful at the end of the day, and maybe they created some issues also in here, for you to manage. So what I did is to prepare the News and Insights blog that is in this way now. But when you click on the for instance here, and you switch to the language, everything is correct. Okay, so you can switch to any language for all articles. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Then we go, for instance, here articles. Some articles is not prepared yet because I wait to create the customized task for you. So no, it's not showing. Maybe in some articles is not showing the titles. For instance, here is showing. Then you can go to Russian, and here there is the article. This is the last part that I will do. You know, this is the other language. So I'm just finishing to control that everything is perfect. Okay, but as I told you, we have this category for news, and then we have this category for insights. Okay, is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, fantastic. So
Mr. Hassan,
did
you understand?
Hassan,
Yes,
did you understand?
yes.
Okay. Oh, guys, if you have to make your pray, that you have your moment, tell me that we can postpone and we can meet later. Okay. Inshallah, you know. Do you have to make your pray? I'm asking, sorry. No, I don't know. I'm asking if you have to do something, let me know. Hasan.
এখন কি বলছে?
Please repeat. What is the task?
Okay. The task is what I told you. I've written to you all the task. Did you read the task? Here, where it is. Here. It was written many times. I don't know why. No, I know
We
why,
did,
because there was an
we did
error.
it.
Okay.
There was four another part on to
Yes,
four.
yes, exactly. Let me explain to you. The fourth part is the menu correction, because previously, when you delivered last time, do you remember, there were not this mismatching, in the menu. Okay.
It's not aligned properly, right?
Exactly, it's not aligned properly. Look here.
Okay. But
So,
but
so
before that, it was correct thing.
I think in some languages was correct, in some other were not.
Okay, no
Uh,
problem. I will fix all language also.
because now we are almost at the end. So my suggestion is that this is why you have the point 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you go one by one, and you do this alignment at the end of the work. Because probably if you do it before and then you work with the Raxo component, making customization, maybe it could be possible that we will experience another disalignment. So maybe it's better to keep it at the end. Just a consideration that I put this number 4 at the end. Only, and these are the languages: Arabic, Russian, Italian, French, Spanish, Brazilian, Portuguese, German, Chinese, and Japanese, where there is the disalignment. So I put this at the end because it was something that it was coming from the past. But our main job, the main task, is the number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay, so the number 1 is related to this to set and use the installed developer Raxo in order to custom a page new insight like the one I show you with the 2 lists that display all articles of the 2 categories. So basically you follow this picture.
Yes.
So, okay, so basically here you have news and insights, the title. Let's make an example, Hassan. This is the menu of our website. This is the title. Here you put the toggle, light, dark, and here you put the list of news, and here the list of
Inside.
insights. That's it. When people or you switch the language, it will have to change the language, basically. Okay.
Okay.
This is important. Let's go ahead. So you always follow the number 1 picture. List of articles for category news. You can choose 20 articles to display in the page. So when we have the page, let's make this when people click here, we will have here the title, news insights, here the toggle, and here the list of news, and here the list of insights. Okay.
10 news and 10 inside. Total 20,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, 2020. Yeah, you have
Okay,
enough.
okay.
So,
20 news and 20 insights.
yeah. 20 news. Yeah, this is the page, the main page of the blog,
Okay.
which is this one. Okay. Sorry, I have to desk here. which is this, le and one. And this is the step number one. The step number two, then list of category of insight, you can choose 20. Each language page, news and insights, will have to add a custom search bar. Do you remember we were talking about the search bar? The search bar is important because the number of articles will grow. Okay, so when people is searching something, it's important that there will be already the list of articles that are talking about what the user is looking for, you know. And this must be for language. But you, Fahad, Hassan, let me know, because what I don't want, let me tell you, what I really do not want is is this. If people goes, let's go in another, in Indian. Okay. If people goes here, where is the page here? I cannot see where it is. 1 second here. If you put the search bar here and you are in the language Arabic, okay, Hassan, if you are here and let's suppose that here we are in the language Arabic, okay? Let's make this example. And you put the search bar for any languages. But if I am in Arabic and I write in English, it must not work, because unless there is some terminology in English in the Arabic article. Did you get my point?
Yes.
Because if let's make another example, Hassan. If we have the search bar here, and we are in the Spanish, let's make Spanish language, and I'm writing in Italian, the Joomla must not recognize, you know, I have to write in the search bar the Spanish in order to find out what it is, okay?
Okay.
Let me ask you, is this possible, or it will be a confusion because we have 18 languages. So is it possible to do it correctly? Can you do it correctly in this way? Because I know that Joomla basically is made for this. Can you do it correctly?
I think search option will work according to language.
Okay, you work according to the language, okay? I understood correctly. Is it what you said, right?
Yes, you can continue.
Is that what you say? That you are working for the search bar in order to make the search bar working only for the language?
Yes.
Okay, so basically we will have 18 search bar. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So custom search bar. This is why I've written custom. Custom because it's for the language. Custom search bar working for the language only, for each language only, 1-to-1, Okay.
Okay.
I
Not
repeat.
working globally, right?
Sorry.
Taskbar will not working in globally. It work only for that language.
One to one. Yeah.
Exactly.
One to one. Yeah, because let's make an example. If there is someone in Arabic and types Italian, of course it doesn't work. Should not work. There is no
Yes.
sense. There is no sense.
Yes. Yes.
No sense. Okay, good. This is important because sometimes the search bar create some confusion. So you have to take care, really careful at this step, to this step. And it must be in line with the toggle to switch the background color on the page black, white, attached image. This is not very sorry. This English is not really good, but it makes sense generally because the objective, the idea here is that if I'm in Arabic and I'm typing the search bar in Arabic, you have to be careful that if I clicked, I'm the user, Hassan is the user. You Hassan, you are you like the dark, for instance. So your toggle on the page is dark, and you type search in Arabic to search something, Yeah, we have to be careful that when there is the result of the search bar, the page do not switch to white. Keep the color dark, okay?
Okay.
This is important because Joomla sometimes... So take care also to this step. This step is really important. Maybe I did not want to use Canadian French and the other Spanish Catalan and either the Thailand language, because I saw that sometimes they automatically created some issues. So I took them off. We have all languages that never gave problem. So probably also in this step, search bar, you can go smoothly without problem, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so then I put a note. We want that all language pages will be same of the figure attached here, the attached image number 1, which is this one. So be careful that I do not want that maybe there is some, so the layout is the same. Layout must be the same, okay? When I switch the language, the layout is correctly the same. Do not becomes shorter or longer, or keep the entire page. It will be the same. Generally speaking, you have to keep this this format, okay? Generally speaking, but if you want to keep the entire page, it's better, Choose one, and for instance, if you have a product here, let's make example. This is the correct length. This must be the correct length. Let's go in Arabic. Okay, can you see, guys? Can you see? Keep this length. Fahad? Yeah, did you understand this point?
something else. Please brief.
Yeah.
in.
Okay. So let's make an example. Um, I do this way. I do like this. Okay. We have this. This is the length. Okay. This is half. Okay. So we have one category here, and then one category, the second category in the second half of the page. But what in the note, what I told you is that you have to keep the same length. This is the length. This is shortened. This is the correct length of the page.
Responsive design like screen, mobile screen and laptop screen are different will appear.
No, layout. I'm talking about the
Yes.
layout.
Okay. Layout that's shown here. Left and right menu, and it's when appear in mobile, top and
No,
bottom.
left column and right column. One column is here.
Okay.
This is one column, and yeah. Let's make another example. And this is the second column. Okay. So the total of the two, 1 and 2, I don't know. No, I just you don't save. It's not important. The total is the entire layout, is the full layout. So when you go here, now the layout is a little bit shorter. Try to make it a bit larger, and then take care on the responsiveness, because here we are in the desktop. Then there will be the mobile and tablet. Okay. Because the site that I gave you is responsive. So you did it. So it's all correct, the site. Okay. In this moment. Then something else we have to talk about. The articles. The number 2. Everything is clear for the number 1 step, for the task 1.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so we talk about the second step. What is the second step? The second step is when people, the user, click to an article. Okay. When they click to an article, we will have to open the article page.
Single
Okay.
page. Single article page.
Exactly. This is really automatic. You don't have to do anything. The only thing that you have to do and take care is that the dark, the toggle keep the same color. Because if I switch in an article, let's make the example. Then Hassan, you can tell me anything. You also, Fahad, tell me anything if you have a question, okay? Or you want to tell me something. So let's make this example. I'm in news in Arabic. Okay. Then I click an article. Let's suppose that the page is all dark. Okay. Then I click this article. It's not possible that the page turn white. Must be the same color. Okay. So my suggestion is to eventually you because you are more expert in Joomla, you have to understand if it's better to use the toggle dark or white for the entire site, or for the blog only, because probably in my experience, it's possible that if I am in the category news and I toggle dark, and then I click the article, let's suppose here I click this article, then it opens the page white. Okay,
Every single
we
page will be white. You want, right?
no. The switcher, the toggle must be the same color, dark or light. So yeah, for everything, Okay. So you can make first an example, then you can show me, because let's suppose that here is dark, everything is dark, and then if I click this article, financial leverage, and then this article should not be white, should be dark.
When a person switch to dark mode, it will be dark mode all page, not change
All
automatically.
Exactly. This is the important step is an important step for the point 2. Here, then I added, you have to tell us how this can be managed via editor, because article pages must have to be able to show the sidebar at right. And here we have to, in fact, open the number 2, which is here, I guess. Yeah. The picture, screenshot. Yeah. 1, 2. Okay. Do you remember we were talking about the table of contents?
Yes.
Okay. So the goal, this is the number 2, page number 2. Articles, this is the page of the article, Fahad. Each article must be organized in this way. So there will be the part of the writing, and then the part of the table of contents. And I'm asking you, sidebar at right with the list of headers, headers 1, headers 2, headers 3, by option, because you know that we can edit. We have the editor in Joomla, and so we can, let's go in the admin, content, categories. Let's suppose that we are in categories, let's say, language in Arabic. Let's suppose that we are in no. Okay. Here. Let's suppose that we are here in the insights in some article. This is one article, okay, Fahad? Okay. I guess that the sidebar right, which is this one, that I show you, this one, must be managed from basically from here, from the menu, from the editor. I don't know what you need to do. You have to tell me how we can create the table sidebar, the sidebar table of contents. Okay.
Another widget, and we will show you how to rearrange it.
Yeah, you have to show me how to arrange this way, in this way. Yes, exactly. So, what is JCE? JCE editor. We have JCE editor. Huh? There is already a plugin. Probably it's something that I have to update. Let me see if this widget is okay. JC, so I can install already. JCE editor, Joomla. Let's see. Yeah, this one. This Joomla content is this one. Yes, yes, they are. I have the access. So, do you think is this one? Okay, so it's better. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I will update the component. Okay. Okay. Fantastic. So you already have it. Okay. So this is the step number 2, Hassan, Fahad. Okay, guys.
Yes.
We will have. Remember, Hassan, that the toggle must be in all pages. So the page of blog where we have the 1 and 2, the 2 category here, and then if the user, if you, anybody in Arabic, click here to open this article, let's suppose that this is the article. Of course, you as user want to maybe switch to light, and so the toggle, this toggle must be in the page. Okay. Do not forget this step also, because everything is related, because it's just a matter to use this tool of Raxo component. Okay, and so then you can explain how to create this with the toggle, with the JCE editor. Article modification. Please note that we want that the article pages will be displayed in the same layout of the figure in example attached number 2. Then there are frequently asked questions. Okay, let's talk about the number 3, which is something that I forgot last time to talk about. This is a customization that basically in page support, let me show you here. The system, the support. Okay, no, it's not here. It's here. Oh, where is? No, sorry. Here I have to work a little bit because there is something that is not correct. Maybe in the product, yeah. Product. I have to check this. Okay. Here we have the frequently, the FAQ that must be also filled up. Then I will do it. So what we want to have is a customization here. Probably this I will take it off. You consider, Fahad and Hassan, you consider that I give you the access when everything is ready. Everything is ready for all pages, so you don't have to struggle to make additional things. You will only be focused on customize the frequently asked question according with according with this number 3. Because you remember that here you put this. I liked a lot the work that you do, Fahad. You did a very nice job, and this is why we are talking again. It's this one, Fahad. Okay, I'm confusing unfortunately.
You want similar design like screenshot. You want to implement in your website like this FAQ, right?
Let me explain better. Okay. Do you remember that you created this? Okay. So let me ask you. I saw that there is this is a sort of component that is created by a company in Estonia. Is correct? This is a component or a module. Sorry, a module. It's a Joomla. Is a custom module, but this custom module I saw that is provided by a company in Estonia that they ask like $1 donation or something alike. Do you think that is stable? Because it's important this thing, or it can be a vulnerable. I guess it can be stable. Yeah. We will see, because I put in many pages, you understand my point? Hello?
মঞ্জুর হাসান বুঝতে পারছেন বিষয়টা?
না।
You are not clear at this moment.
Okay. Can I repeat?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Okay. What was this module?
Are you talking about FAQ?
No, now I'm talking about this module because it's another question here. It's a parenthesis, let's say. We are talking about in a parenthesis. Then we continue FAQ. I'm asking to you about this module that it was created from here. I don't know if it's system something. I don't know. I don't remember. No, because no. We have to check, investigate. But what I was asking is if this module that is going to provided by a company can be safety, secure. Did you get my point?
কোনো একটা কোম্পানি সিকিউর নাকি একটা বলতেছেন।
Can't understand.
I'm asking if this module that you created in this website, as is what about? Okay, you created this 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. When you installed this module is free, correct?
No, it's not free or paid. It's created by me. All code is created by me. It's no security issue.
But is cleared by you.
Yes.
But how this is possible? Because if I put the website then online, and then you do not clear this module, I will have a vulnerable problem, you know.
Okay, I'm explain. This three module is custom module and it's created by raw HTML CSS, which is code by me. It's not collect from another website. That means
Oh,
there is no
yes, yes.
issue to pay.
No. Yes, this is, I know. My question was a little bit different. Let me explain better to you. Do you remember the name of this module? It was like AI something. No, it was 01. No, don't remember. We have to go where in the page to understand. Yeah. 1 second. 1 second to understand exactly. Home, Brazilian. Ecco, yeah, Joomla model. Leo one. Okay, Leo. Okay. Save and close. Go to back. Component site modules. Leo. Okay. Leo productivity. Okay, for instance, this. Okay. I was asking to you, Fahad and Hassan, checked out other extension at Pluginaria. Pluginaria basically is or donate 1.5 euro. You know, Pluginaria, if I click here, it opens to a not secure site. It's okay. Okay, is this? Do you know them? I'm asking if you know these guys because this module, custom HTML advanced module, eventually in the future can create problem to the website. Okay.
Check Plutonaria is come where from it's come. We will check it. But this content is not come from there, I think.
It's not. Okay. Yeah, this content. And why do we have this name here?
His name is here and linked here. We will check.
Okay.
It should not be appeared there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Check.
Okay. Check because can be in Joomla sometimes there can be issues because if you use a module or something, a component that at the end is not compatible. Yeah, you know. I already experienced in the past components that at the end are eventually sold for little money, but at the end were not compatible with Joomla like anywhere, and with modules that and with the important components of Joomla, strategic component of Joomla, they create problems to websites, you know. Okay, so we have to keep secure and safety this module. So please check and let me know. Okay, continue. Let's continue with the FAQ. Okay. FAQ is about this. It's all about this. So customization you can prepare in this way. Okay, that there is this part white. Let's make an example with the site. You know, you have the site here, and sorry, we can open it here. No, it's here. Okay, so we are in the same page. Here there should be another frequently asked question. No? Should be in support. Okay. I will give you the pages, all right, but it should be in support and in I guess it's a product. Yeah, here. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
You want like this style of FAQ, right?
Exactly, this style. Okay, we have here Unigiro System FAQ and here like Unigiro System FAQ, and then same style for the customization of colors, basically, that you keep up in the SP page builder, all right? Okay, so this is the third. Okay, yes, of course, for all pages because it's important. Then you in the pages, pages are product. You have FAQ in product, but you can prepare eventually product and support. Now there is no item found. I don't know why, but New Zealand eventually it's because of this. Let's go in English. I have to check also the. No, here there are something else. Swedish. Yeah, I have to add. Yeah, I have to add. Okay, I will add the frequently asked question in support page, and then you will find the association. Okay, for all pages also. Okay. Solution. Frequently asked question. All right, that's it. So. Yeah, I guess that is enough. I guess it's enough. Yeah. And let me ask you: do you have some question? Do you understood everything? Did you understand everything, guys? Perfect.
No.
Okay. So if there is no question, then you only have to prepare. One important thing. The payment.
Yes.
Okay. About the payment, can you prepare an invoice eventually? Or you use Fever that invoice?
Create a offer, and there will be a milestone. You send us 4 tasks for another task. When I prepare any 2 tasks, you review us a milestone, and after all 4 tasks complete, you review us complete as 4 tasks. Then we'll close the job.
Yeah, so we have to manage everything from here because then I will have no, I already tell you that I have to check the settings because I want that the billing and payments, let's see, now they have these billing and payments. I have to understand okay, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. They will be billed to the company. It's fine. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's do this way. You can prepare the you can prepare your offer. You know, the first under 50. Okay.
Uh, I will prepare, uh, which is first milestone will be 150 and second milestone or close the job will be pay 150 total 300.
Yeah, total 300. Yeah. But in order for me to pay, you basically have to prepare two offers. So you understand? I mean, is one.
Have a milestone.
Ah, okay, fantastic. If it's possible this way, perfect. I didn't know. It's okay.
এখন ভাই এখন দিয়ে দিন কাস্টম অফার
Okay, we are creating now the custom offer.
Yeah. You can create the custom offer. 1 second, because I honestly I still have to install the Raxo module, and the reason why is because I'm waiting the VAT number from the British authority, you know, for the company. So yeah, because otherwise I additionally have to pay the VAT from the Canadian, because Raxo is in Canada, you know. So they export, but I have to pay the VAT in Canada. Okay, if I have the VAT from the limited company in London, I do not pay because they use my VAT in order to justify to their tax authority that it's an exportation to a business and not to a private. This is the only reason why we have some delay. So let me check this because it's all my interest, and I will tell you, yes, prepare the offer. Otherwise, if Hasan, if you prefer to prepare the offer and wait until I pay, prepare it. No worries. For me, it's the same. Okay.
I think you have a VAT issue.
Sorry.
হাসান ভাই বুঝতে পারছেন কি বলতে চায়?
কি বলে
বুঝতে পারছেন কিনা আপনি? আমি
না
শিওর না. We are not understand as well.
Okay, I have to wait the VAT number, the tax
Okay.
number. Okay, so just it's 2 weeks that I'm waiting. So now, yeah. So let me. It's not a problem. Let me arrange this, and in very soon time you can start work. But you can prepare your offer now. Prepare it and wait until I pay. Okay?
Okay. If
It's okay.
when you prepare the VAT number, then I can create custom offer or now.
Now you can create it now. For me, it's not a problem. Okay?
Okay.
Create it now and wait some hours. Can be 1 day, 2 days, I don't know. But you see when I do the payment, you know? Okay? Perfect, perfect. Okay, guys. So see you soon. If there is no question, Hassan, or we can leave the meeting.
Okay, we can leave.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.